Hello, welcome back. Annatto Oil. You heard me. Annatto Oil. Or Aceite de Achiote. And this comes from the Annati seeds. Easy to make. We call in Puerto Rico semillas de achiote. And this is what is going to give you that beautiful color to your Puerto Rican rice, or your arroz con gandules, or your arroz con pollo, or your stews. This beautiful color comes from this. I don't use pre-packed stuff. I like to control things naturally, and that's what I create. This very easy to make Annatto oil. Yes, sir. So, go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Let's create. So, high heat. I'm using some sunflower oil. You can use any type. It doesn't matter. It is high. Get you annatto seeds or achiote. See, annatto seeds. I add enough. So heating it up. This stuff you have to be careful because it's stained. You're going to heat this for about 2 minutes. Make sure the heat is hot. What that does, it gives that beautiful color to your stews, even rice, if you choose to do with rice. Now you're going to transfer from one location to the other, to this thing. What you do, because you don't want the seeds on it, so you start transferring. Now you have to be careful with this because this stuff stains. See this stuff can stain things, you know. In fact, I drop a little bit here. I mean, it's oil, but you know, it has an arrow, so it's going to stain if you're not careful. And I don't want to create a lot. I just want to do enough for, you know, for what I need. And for illustration purposes only. But you can technically fool the whole thing here.